Alright, so this video, it's about two things. Lack of maintenance, where we show that the sludge in the motor, and that just comes from people not changing their oil on a timely basis, and quality oil at the same time. And secondly, the car is misfiring because a gasket is allowing oil to come into the spark plug hole, and it causes the spark not to go into the combustion chamber and cause a misfire. So, and it does it on more than one cylinder, but it's got one cylinder that is probably have been misfiring so long that it damaged the coil. This is a 2007 A6 Audi with a 3.2. It has all of these codes present. We're going to concentrate on the misfire. And we got a misfire on cylinder number 2. We're going to remove it quickly. And you're going to see that it's drenched in oil. So what's happening with this car is that the valve covers, the seals up at the top of the valve covers are allowing the oil to come into the plug hole, and it's fouling out the ignition. So this is gonna need to replace the valve covers on both sides, as well as the spark plugs, and possibly coil number 2, which is the one that's misfiring. The Audi that we are going to do the valve covers. This is an engine that has very little maintenance. It's already starting to sludge up, and that's very bad. So this is a lack of maintenance, and it should be the best thing you can do for your car is to change the oil. Now inside of the spark plug holes, let me see if I can see that better? No. Alright. No, it blinds it. A ver si esto tiene
Flash.
flash. ¿Dónde están los coils? Alright, so they're all filled with oil. So that causes misfires. It ruins the coils. It ruins the coil boots. Where are the boots? Where's the coils? Alright, and this is a coil full of oil. Oops, sorry. Full of oil. Also full of oil. Also full of oil. And then what happens is the center, this center gasket dries up, and it allows the oil to get underneath it and then get into this inside the plug hole, and that's what fouls out the plugs. And then again, the sludge and lack of maintenance, very bad.